Hey everybody. Today we're going to learn how to turn off birthday and event notification alert floods on Facebook. First, tap on your menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top left. A side panel will appear. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Look under the section block explicitly labeled Preferences. Tap directly on the configuration row option labeled Notifications. Inside the menu layout, locate the primary list header section explicitly labeled What Notifications You Receive. Scroll down through the list, find the row option labeled Birthdays, and tap on it. Locate the primary switch labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook and toggle it completely off to silence all birthday reminders. Next, click the back arrow to return to the primary notifications panel list. Locate the row option explicitly labeled Events and tap directly on it. Tap the toggle switch right next to Allow Notifications on Facebook to turn it completely off, blocking upcoming event posts and community invitation floods instantly. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.